Well, I'm still up here, y'all. Hughes Drive-In. I've been up here a couple hours, I'm just making videos, putting this here prep box back together. Well, it's coming on. I still ain't gonna get through it today. It'll probably be one day next week. I'm trying to wait on the filter for it. But you can see it's going on back together. We got the top back on. Got a couple pieces there to put back. Got the leak stop. Box it all back together. We're just trying to put it back together piece by piece. It's coming on. But like I said today, we won't finish it. We're going to get this top here put on there for sure in a few minutes. And we can kind of see where our trays go back at. And then we'll be done till we see. We get our filter in one day next week and go back there and cut it out and put it in. I don't like to break the system on these 290s. I don't like to break the system, even if you find a leak on it. You need to change that dryer. Why? Cut it out, put a new one in. So that's won't be here in a couple of days, so man, just have to wait. But I got trust on it, so I'm gonna let it stay on it for a couple of days and probably this weekend and see what happens. But I'm going to put this top on here now. Hold on. Go get me something to drink here in a minute too. Man. There you go there. Go ahead and put this top back on. We're gonna put it on. Okay, y'all, let's just get all these screws tightened down. Get ready to get the top put on there. There it is. So I pieced it back together. Took my time and put it all back together. I got to put my racks in there. That ain't no problem. This is all back together. Top is on there good and tight. I like this kind of work. Even though I got an air conditioning license, I don't like putting all in them furnaces and stuff no more. I'm 71, so I like cruising like this, man. I made pretty good on this box. With putting that coil in here, taking my time, wasn't in no hurry, nobody pushing me. Sit down when I want to. Now I'm finna go down here and get me a cup of ice and something to drink. So he got nothing here. But when he got that pack full of drinks, he ain't put the fix that. Go on. But we finna go down and get us some ice and stuff. And we'll be back and we'll just set it to the side, pick up our tools and go home to next week. Put these racks in here when I get back. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna go get me some ice and a Mountain Dew pop. Like I say, I like this kind of work. I don't even be tired when I get home and eating. But, I just like it. It's smooth, it's quiet. Nobody rushing. Like I say, ain't nobody say, I'm hot. How much longer it gonna be? I'm hot too. Well, okay. We're gonna talk to y'all later. We're finna go get us something to drink. And then we'll come back and slide that thing there to the side a little bit and pick up our tools and go home. And let it sit until Monday. All right.